Are you tired of spending hours trying to come up with the perfect copy for the product or service you know is good? You just don't know how to promote it or what to say or who to say it to. Introducing LeadScripts, the ultimate AI solution for all your marketing copy needs. With LeadScripts, creating compelling content has never been easier. We're going to ask you a few questions about your product or service, and we're going to build out over 80 product details that you probably have never even thought of. We use that and we define your perfect customer. We get their pains, their fears, their desires, their dreams, their location, where they're hanging out, all these things, so that all the marketing copy that LeadScripts is going to generate for you is going to resonate with your target audience. No more starting from scratch. With our pre-built marketing plans, we provide step-by-step guidance on how to reach your goals. From social media campaigns to email sequences, LeadScripts has got it all covered. Need engaging, long-form, high-quality content but don't have time or expertise? Let our AI-powered article writer do the heavy lifting for you. Simply input some key details and watch as high-quality content is generated in seconds. And the greatest thing about that, not only is your article generated and you get all these SEO quality content for your website or blog, it also integrates your product and your customer persona so that it's geared and resonates with your audience just as it should. And also, everybody asks, do you have ChatGPT? Of course we have ChatGPT. Not only do we have that, we also have Oscar. So you can ask Oscar anything you want. That's LeadScripts AI robot. Or you can select ChatGPT from the menu. Right now it's ChatGPT 4 and we upgrade it as they come out and we get early access to it. You can store all your history. It's automatically stored for you. You can recall them and you can also delete them and rename them as you wish. So if you're tired of wasting time trying to come up with your own marketing strategies, marketing copy, knowing what to do, what not to do, you probably don't even have half the information you need for your product. We do that automatically. You probably don't have your customer persona, your avatar that you need integrated with your product like you should, or even complete. We put those together and all the marketing strategy and copy is integrated so that whenever you create a marketing plan in LeadScripts, it's using your product information, your customer persona to target them so that it resonates with them. It's really amazing. I'm excited about this, and I'm excited to see the success you're going to have when you start using LeadScripts.